Hi, my name is Michael and I'm the Shop Geek, and this is a quick tip for your circular saw. I'm going to show you how to build a jig that'll give you nice, clean, straight cuts. You can see exactly where your end points are going to be when you're using the circular saw. To do this jig, I'm going to build a long one, so I've got two 8-foot pieces of plywood, one 6 inches wide and one 12 inches wide. Now the width of the bottom board is important. You want to make sure that the distance between the blade on your circular saw and the foot plate is greater than the distance between the edges of the two pieces of plywood. And it's very simple to do. We're just going to put these together with some wood glue and then a few brads for my brad gun. If you don't have a brad gun, you can just use the wood glue and then clamp the two pieces of wood together. So let me put a couple of lines of glue down. Now it's important to note that I am using the factory edge of this side of the plywood. This was the part I cut earlier, so I could get the 6-inch length. And I'm going to put these two pieces up to each other nice and flush. And then to keep this in place while the glue dries, I'm going to use my brad gun, put a few brads to hold that in place. Now safety first, whenever you're using an air tool, make sure that you've got earplugs and safety glasses. Once the glue dries, we're going to take the circular saw and trim that outside edge. We'll go outside and I'll show you that now. Now the idea for this jig, this edge guides the edge of the base of the circular saw, and the blade cuts through this piece, giving you a zero clearance edge. Basically that means anywhere that the edge appears is where your blade is going to cut. So I'm going to trim this now and the jig will be ready to use.